Install the Scosche. We're also gonna install this. First step, disconnect the negative. Alright, first step, we're gonna take off the trim off the shift knob panel. Go, Jesse. Okay.
I don't care if I break it. Not my car. I don't think. It doesn't feel like.
It's like this silver piece is under this piece. So right now we're just trying to take it off. Because usually after the silver piece, you're supposed to take off this piece. Okay, for stick shift cars, you're gonna have to take off the knob first. And then you pry this off like that.
I thought you said you didn't want to make a shitty either.
It's not. Alright, so Jesse's gonna pull this off. Jesse,
what am I doing? Alright,
you can leave this here. Those you can leave those, but this should be one up here. Yeah, take that one off. Alright, doing that. Okay, now just put this like so. Okay, we're taking out these two bolts off.
Yeah.
Alright, now hold on to that. Here.
I'm sure you undo this right here.
Yes, you undo that. Bam. Now we're gonna take off these 4 screws right now.
Here. Oh yeah. You gotta fucking hold that shit.
Now we gotta disconnect. There's probably 3 connections back there. Four things.
5.
5. Hold on. Don't drop it. Just put it over there. Alright, 5. Alright, we got the Metra 705520. Looks like that. And it does fit in the 2010 Mustang.
You gotta point in here.
Oh.
That's what. God, man.
Point in. Why?
The fuck you mean, why?
Alright, put it in.
God.
I fucking hate this motherfucker.
You said you wanted to make good YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Man. This is awful.
You know what? This is going on the film. This is going on the clip.
That's fine.
So what are these for then, Jesse? Since you know everything.
I don't know everything.
Oh.
And I'm pretty sure that's good. Some of that.
So what's cool about it is on the back of the bag it actually says
Fuck you, man.
Where everything, what each wire is.
Stupid ass.
You know. For. Alright. Okay. So we got the Metra. The Metra wiring stuff. And then And then this is the Pioneer one right here. And then we made all the connections. You know, you just match the colors. And then we're about to plug that in. Don't mind this. This is just bullshit. Just to connect this.
Yes, massive. I usually see the, well, it's probably on newer cars. That's probably why.
We can't connect the antenna.
We'll see right now. Alright. Give it to me.
That's upside down. Alright, so we're putting the Pioneer in right now as we speak. As you can see. Alright, so right now we're just putting on the panels on the Pioneer deck.
This thing is so stupid!
So with the Scotch kit, we just lined it up exactly right there, cause it's gonna be a little lower, and we're gonna wire this another time, cause this is some bullshit. All right, so we got the panels on. These are called panels.
Sure.
All right, so now we gotta put the screws back in.
Okay, but
wait, did you connect it in the back?
no.
Alright, in order for this piece of shit to work, this is what you gotta do. Listen carefully. You plug this one, alright, hold on. You plug this one in first. Then you plug this one in, and then you plug that one in. Wait, but make sure the doors are all closed and the ignition is off. Then you do all that, and then it'll work. Okay, bam. Alright, so now we're gonna put this piece back on.
Oh, am I doing that?
Yeah.
Here. Alex, hold it.
That's Jesse's tattoo. Badass.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, here we go. We got the kit on. Finally. Look at that. It's right here.
Alright, make sure to put this back on.
Yeah. Make sure to put that back on. Let me hold the flashlight bit.
I'm nasty.
It's already nighttime because we didn't know how to do shit. Alright, so
Fuck. You put this bitch back in there.
just for everybody to know, don't buy that Metra fucking wiring harness because the power wire does not match up. And I had to run my own power wire.
There it goes.
There you go.
You know, just fucking.
Yeah, just like. Alright.
Where's your ball?
Ball. It's not by your feet. And then just put that stick back on, and then you're done. Give you guys an update later. Okay, and this is the finished product. Just like that. Everything looks great. Had the USB on to the iPod. AC works. You know. AC works. This doesn't work for some reason, I don't know. Number settings on everything. Time, date. Yep. And you're done.